Sri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 69, English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. Sukhanandakari nivari bhayate jani bhakti bhave bhajave tayate विवेके त्यजावा अनाचार हेवा प्रभाते मनी राम चिंतित जावा. He gives divine happiness and earthly joy and protection from fear. Let us worship him with faith and devotion in this world. Misconduct, envy should be abandoned with discrimination. Let us contemplate on Rama in the early morning. Some keywords used in this shloka are Sukhanandakari, means the giver of supreme happiness. Nivari means protects. Bhayate means from fear. Bhakti Bhave means with faithful devotion. Bhajave means worship. Tyajava means abandon. Anachara means bad conduct. Heva means envy or jealousy. Chintita means meditate. In the last shloka, Ramdas Swami touched upon fear and how to deal with it. Samartha Ramdas Swami is summarizing that again in this shloka, mentioning that God helps protect his devotees from fear. Lord Rama also helps in providing divine happiness and joy to his devotees. We know that happiness does not last forever, but we all wish to have long lasting happiness. Most of the time, we seem to think that we will get happiness once we have the exact same things which others have. This is due to the fact that we tend to associate happiness with material possessions. Once we get that we were waiting for, we may be happy for a while, but then our definition of happiness changes again. There is a saying in the Marathi language, Durun Dongar Sajre, which means that the mountains look great from a distance. They look super pretty, but when we start climbing those mountains, then we see the steep uphill road and the pain in climbing up. The nice feeling goes away at least until we get to the top of the mountain. The same is true for any possession. May that be clothes, house, vehicle, job, money, or the likes. We think once we get a better house, we will be happy. Once we get a car, we will be happy. Once we get another better paying job, we will be happy. But there is always something better. So if we move from renting a house to buying a condo, we will be happy for a few months. After that, we settle down there. And then suddenly, a row house or a single family house seems to be the one which will provide real happiness. This is where the heva, envy, comes in the picture. We are never satisfied with what we have. Someone else we know has something better always. A better car, a better job, a better house, kids going to better schools, and so on. Envy is an emotion that occurs when a person lacks another's superior quality or achievement or possession, and either desires it or wishes that the other lacked it. Once this envy enters our minds, some start feeling that they need to have those possessions by hook or crook. This then makes them adapt to bad conduct. They start using bad tactics to acquire those things or somehow wish that the other person will lose what they have. We should be continuously training our mind that these bad conducts and envy are not the right ways to achieve happiness and joy. We should be using our viveka, which is discrimination, at every fork we come across in our journey of life, and always choose only the ramp towards the right conduct, even though it might be steeper, but it will lead us to God. Envy and jealousy never stay with happiness and joy. As soon as they enter the mind, happiness goes out the door at the same moment. We should be longing for divine happiness, which comes from inner satisfaction, and that comes only after we achieve what we need by following the dharma, the good conduct. Majority of the times, the happiness that comes after giving, helping others in need, is better than we get when we acquire something. We need to worship God with full devotion, and He will guide us on the right path, filled with milestones of happiness and joy as we march towards the ultimate enlightenment and start every day with the contemplation and prayers for Lord Rama. सुखानंदकारी निवारी भयाते जनी भक्ति भावे भजावे तयाते विवेके त्यजावा अनाचार हेवा प्रभाते मनी राम चिंतित जावा. Join me in this humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian literature and culture to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha.